Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Civic EX in taffeta white with black cloth interior. 4 doors, it's a sedan, and it has seating for 5. It's a 4-cylinder front-wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and on the floor you have the release for the trunk as well as the gas tank. Off to the side is your traction control econ, and you also have a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of it you have the dash controls as well as your media controls. There's hands-free dialing here, and you also have your cruise controls. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. I'm going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see there's 2 sections, the one that you're facing through the steering wheel, and then up above is another one to the right there, and we're just going to get in. There we go, econ off, and it's just getting in. You're seeing the odometer reading, the time, the temperature outside, as well as the date, and then you can toggle through this for different options. In the center we have a display screen, and we can touch on there for different options, as well as your phone, AM, FM, and CD as well. You also have Bluetooth, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. Your hazard lights are there, and then you have your buttons for your climate control. You have front and rear defrost and heated side view mirrors, as well as AC. Down below is heated seats for both driver and passenger, and you have the HDMI, USB, and a 12-volt power outlet. Automatic shifter, emergency parking brake, and a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's lots of storage, and there's a USB outlet as well. Off to the side is a glove compartment, and up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror. You also have lighting controls, and then when you want to tilt and slide that sunroof, you can just push the button and it'll open it right up for you. 16-inch wheels, body-colored door handle with easy access, driver's side fuel cap. The backup camera is just below the H in Honda, and you also have the access for the release of your trunk inside the vehicle, or you can click the fob. It power releases it for you, and then you easily open it up just by putting your hand underneath. And inside it's nicely carpeted. You're seeing extra carpeted mats there, and you're also seeing the tabs to release the trunk, the back seats there to enlarge the trunk area, and the 60/40 split. When you're ready to bring it all down, simply put your hand on the top, pull down, and it's securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60/40 split. The seats release from the trunk area. In the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, some pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and up above there's hooks and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.